What's up you guys, hope you're all doing good and welcome to our channel once again. For those who are visiting our channel for the first time, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm Jagdish, a software developer with around 10 years of experience. In our channel, we have been trying to cover the basics of Java programming. If you are interested in learning Java from the fundamentals, don't forget to check out our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about one important topic in Java called as comments. So to demonstrate that with an example, let's try to create a class and let's try to say hello to comments in Java. So most of us would have come across this common word like comment it out, or write some comments for your methods, or write some comments for your program. So what exactly it means and what are the types of comments that we have in Java? So basically comments are the lines or the statements which are not going to be executed by your compiler. So as you know, Java compiles the code, line by line execution will happen. So if you want to skip a particular statement from getting executed, then we can comment it out. At the same time, if you want to supply some additional information to make it very user friendly or to make the program much more readable, if you want to give some hints about the particular program, then you can make use of comments. Broadly, comments in Java are of three types. There are single line comment, multi-line comments, and API or documentation comments. Now let us talk about single line comments. For example, I have a variable called as int I. It is going to hold the value as 10 and I'm going to print this particular value of I. So when you run this particular program, so your guess is right, the outcome is going to be 10, which is nothing but the value of the particular variable I. If you want to supply any information about this particular variable I, for example, this is the mark obtained. So this is what is called as a single line comment. So it starts with double slashes. So whatever comes after that particular slash will not be executed. So this is what is called as a single line comment in Java. At the same time, if you don't want a statement from being executed or skip it from compilation, so then you can comment it out using the double slashes, double forward slashes. This is what is called as a single line comment in Java. Now if you run this particular program, there will not be anything in the output because we have commented it out. The system.out.println statement has been commented out, so this particular statement will not get executed. This is what is called as a single line comment in Java. And there is one other type of comment called as a multi-line comment in Java. If you want to write the comments in more than one line, then we can make use of multi-line comment. Mostly we do that for explaining about a specific method. For example, here if you have a method like private void and it is going to do some sum operation, okay, and some sum operation is going to happen. And if you want to give some information about this particular method, then you can make use of the multi-line comment. So multi-line comments will be like slash star, and each line you can write it as a star and you have to end that particular statement using a slash star once again. So in the sense star, in the sense an asterisk. So here you can write, so purpose of the below method is to perform addition operation. So if you wanted to write some information about this particular method, then you can make use of multi-line comments. So this is going to be the syntax of the multi-line comments. There is one other most important type of comment available in Java, which most of the developers does not know, is called as an API documentation comment. To explain that, let's jump into the notepad way of writing your Java program. So already I have written a simple hello world program using my notepad. So this program will just to print you welcome to my first notepad Java. So let's try to run this particular program. So to run this particular program, so let me jump into this particular folder in my command prompt. So cd space this particular, sorry, it has not got copied, yes, and I'm going to jump into the test method. So to compile that particular class, I have to make use of javac filename.java. So file name is hello world.java. Now this particular class has got compiled. To confirm that this class has got compiled properly, let's check yes, dot class file has got created. And to run this particular program, you have written as Java hello world. If you do this, this particular program will be run and the outcome will get printed as welcome to my first notepad Java. Now to talk about this API documentation comment. So you have to, the API documentation comments will be like a forward slash forwarded by 2 asterisks, and it needs to end with this way. And whatever you type inside this will be taken as an API documentation comment. For example, this is my main method of hello world program. If you type something within this particular thing, then it will be taken as an API documentation comment. So in what way this is going to be helpful? If you're going to create an API document out of your classes, then you don't have to write the API documentation separately. This will add the comments specifically in the API documentation. What we have to do is, there is a command in Java called as the Javadoc space your file name.java. If you run this particular command, it will generate a set of HTML files inside your folder. So now let us go and check out our folder. You can see there are lots of HTML files that has been created. Out of which, if I try to open my hello world HTML file, here it will print you all the details about your class. At the same time, whatever the comment that you have added to your method will come over here. So this is my main method of hello world program, is the API documentation comment that I have given using this particular syntax. So you don't have to generate this HTML and write comments specific to the method. If you write the comments in this way, this will automatically be absorbed in your API documentation. So to reiterate what we have seen about comments in Java. Comments are nothing but a set of statements which will not be compiled by a compiler, or it will not be executed. There are 3 ways of writing your comments. If it is going to be a single line comment, just make use of 2 forward slashes. And if it is going to be a multi-line comment, you can make use of a forward slash and hashtag symbol. Or if you're going to make use of an API documentation comment, then you can make use of forward slashes with 2 asterisk sign. And for generating the API document, you can make use of the command called as javadoc space your file name.java. Hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions further related to comments in Java, you can comment it out in the comment section. We'll reply out, or we'll create a video out of it. We will meet you in the next exciting video soon. Thank you.